Hello everyone, we're going to continue to understand the fab life of the engineer. We start work after the department meeting in the morning. Then usually we have the lunch time at 12 o'clock and take a break until to the 1300. Of course, start work continuously. You should know that it's the normal condition. We often have the emergency situation, and we got to work during this time. So it's the normal condition, but we have to adjust the lunch time, the break time, as the condition we have. If it needs we to work during this time, we got to work with the emergency situation until we have a little time break, then go to eat. What time? We don't know. It depends on the situation. Normally, at the 1700 department meeting, present again, and the engineer report on solve issues and give the notice or the caution to the twilight night shift. The twilight night shift means that $1,500 to 2400. The twilight night shift member. No. The date time engineer work and during the department meeting in the evening, we give the notice and the caution to the twilight night shift member. Then let them continue to follow the notice, and then the twilight night shift engineer also give the caution and the notice to the deep night shift engineer. The usually, generally speaking, the 1-800 time engineer go back home, but usually it's impossible. The normal condition is continue to work and to make all the equipment running available to product. This is the equipment engineer mission. And solved most issue and make the equipment running available, then you can go back home. So actually, what time? You can go home. It depends on something. Depends on the unsolved issue. How serious they are. Okay. That's all. See you next time.